Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to week 2 of our unit on poetry. I hope you enjoyed last week's start to poetry. This week we're going to be looking at a different type of a poem, and it's called a haiku poem. Our learning intention for Monday is that we're learning about the structure of a haiku poem. To be successful today, you have to be able to identify a haiku poem and identify the structure of a haiku poem relating to syllables. So let's just recap what we did last week. Let's revise what we did last week. Poetry is a piece of writing written by a poet to entertain an audience. So the purpose is to make the audience laugh or to tell a story. It is a type of an imaginative text coming from someone's imagination. This week we're learning all about haiku poems. Before we look at haiku poems, let's look back at syllables. I want you to watch this quick video down here on syllables, so you just need to click a link. Remember, syllables are the parts of a word. So if we think about the word unicorn, we can clap that out with our hands. Unicorn. 3 claps, 3 syllables. We're thinking about the word ball. Let's clap that together. Ball. 1 syllable. So have a look at the video and thinking about syllables. Okay, so now that we've revised about syllables and we know that they're parts of a word, I want you to watch this quick video on haiku poems. Now, a haiku poem is a type of a poem that is about one idea, just one idea. It doesn't have lots of different ideas in there, just one idea. And it has the same structure. That means the way it's written is the same for every time we see this poem. And it has 3 lines in it. The first line has 5 syllables, the second line has 7 syllables, and the last line has another 5 syllables. And the words in the lines don't have to rhyme this time. So click on the link down here and watch this quick video telling us all about haiku poems. Okay, so just like I said, each line in a haiku poem, it has to have a certain amount of syllables. Now, this poem's all about spring. That's all it's about. It's very short, very sharp, and very quick. It only has the 3 lines. So when you start to write your haiku poem, it only can have 3 lines in it. The first line has to have 5 syllables. The second line has 7 syllables. And the last line has another 5 syllables in it. Has a total of 17 syllables, and this is just about spring. It's not about anything else, just about spring. All right, now it's your turn. I want you to count the syllables so you can clap them out. Sand scatters the beach. Let's clap that together. Ready? Sand scatters the beach. 5 claps. So there's 5 syllables. Now I want you to try that with line number 2 and line number 3. Now, this one I want you to do all by yourself. Count how many syllables are on the first line, how many are on the second line, and how many are on the third line, and then write how many syllables are here all together. All right, and here's our last activity for today. Here are 6 different haiku poems. This one's about frogs, this one's about kangaroos, this one's about the Easter Bunny, this one's about the beach, this one's about snow, and this one's about Valentine's Day. So you can see they're all about single ideas. They're all written the same way, 3 lines. First line, 5 syllables. Second line, 7 syllables. Last line, 5 syllables. So next to each poem, write how many syllables are on each line. Check that they are haiku poems. Have a great day.